Hey guys, I'm back at Yee Ol Sawmill and dig number 2 just happened along. About 2.5 hours till dark here. Found a little brass buckle walking towards the cans and mess of stuff and pennies I was getting last time here. Heading that direction to see how far them cans go, and I'm probably a good 30 feet from the cans I dug last time. Heading towards them, found this buckle, brass buckle, probably off a horse halter or something. Looks like maybe the pin, a little rusty. Pin must have been iron or something. On to the next one. Yeah, I must have dug 20 or 30 cans and pudding lids and stuff there, and just endless stream of them tones over there. Decided to go for a little stroll here, and this never even rang up because I got iron discriminated, but old canvas belt with a bunch of repair stitching in it here. Yeah, ran her till she broke and then stitched her up and kept going. Haven't found a whole lot, unless I run across something good, we'll just have a roundup or something. Yeah, I was only about 20 or 30 paces from where I was digging to the truck here, so came here to have a drink and a smoke out of the black flies and relax my back here for a minute, and working up a sweat and getting chewed. Black flies over in there right at that entrance. It's not a driveway, it's just a trail found right at the end of that fence line. I found a 2-ring mini ball there last year. It was on my 2015 finds there. Yeah, didn't expect that. Big old pipe in there. 4-inch steel pipe. Really distracting stuff. Kept getting hits thinking I had coins lying on the packed ground down there, and then thought I had a coin spill or something. There was stuff all over the place, but I guess that's what it was. Now I got a great big chunk of angle iron down in there. Probably 1/2 inch thick, 4x4 probably. Feels like it's about 4 feet long down in there. I got one end of it here, but I guess I'll have to cover it in. Now there's something cool. Big chunk of solder. Store-bought solder. It's got a 50 there at the first. Solder, the Canada Metal Company Limited. So that's neat that it has all the lettering on it, and you know, if that didn't have anything stamped in it, you'd never know what the heck it was. I don't think it's lead. I hit it with the shovel right there. Shiver, nice and shiny and soft and flexible, and well, that's pretty cool. I'm glad it had some lettering on it. At least I know what it is. Might be able to look it up a wee bit on the internet, see if they're still around. Right on. Well guys, sun's going down. Gotta get going out of here soon. Oh, I must have dug 50 cans and pudding lids and stuff there. And then this stuff right here, I went for a walkabout and did a bunch of surface finds, but I did dig about half that stuff out of there last fall, and it was sitting on a little cement pad there, so I thought I'd grab it on the way out tonight. Some kind of a drive shaft bearing bracket thing, big piece of water pipe or something. That must be some kind of a cap or bolt off a bearing, or a hub assembly or something. 3 little dogs off block and tackle maybe, or Some kind of lever action. Little piece of plate steel. That was stuff I picked up that was lying there from last year. And then I dug this stuff. 3 nails were giving me kind of zinky signals or something. Piece of hydro wire, Canada stamped in it. It's whatever, heavy duty wire. Can't even hardly bend it. Some pull tabs. That was along a 4-wheeler trail on the other side of the trees there, sawmill, so probably off a 4-wheeler or something. Another regular washer, and this canvas all stitched together here. I think you can buy stitch kits to do stuff like that with, special little wire things and a crimper and that, but who knows, that could have been hand done. Banding clips for the metal banding. Not very old, I don't think. And the first thing was the best, pretty much. Well, I like that solder bar too. The brass buckle. Got it right off the bat. And the big piece of solder bar. Canada Metal Company Limited. With a 50. So, I guess wasn't too bad. That bar is kind of neat. Chunk of solder, buckle. I guess we'll call her quits. Thank you to my subscribers. Bye now.